GM guys, what's good? So today we're gonna be diving into the Gradient Network airdrop. As you can see on your screen, on my screen, sorry, built on Solana. Gradient is a DePIN edge computing network aiming to decentralize computing by using idle bandwidth and CPU resources. Now, of course, users install a lightweight browser extension, which is called the Sentry Node, to help run the network and earn XP points, which will end up being converted to tokens. I'm not sure this is what the tokens will be called, but you know, there's an airdrop coming, right? So as you can see, timeline and airdrop status, season 0, launched September 2024 till April 15th, and season 1 began on April 15th. You know, and they improved some things on their website, including changing their logo and stuff like that. So as you can see here, TGE Poch is estimated for March 10th, 2025. Well, that's passed already, so let's just assume and believe and hope that we'll still get the airdrop in 2025. Okay, token is GDT, which is the gradient token. So there's no talk about the distribution yet. So how to participate, sign up, install node, connect socials, run the nodes continuously, and then referral bonuses. So let's get to that. So we're just gonna open on the tab and search Gradient Network extension. Now the whole thing is popping up because I've logged in before, right? So this is what you should see. Gradient Sentry Node, that's the name of the node, right? And it should take us to this page. Alright, now you can see this wasn't their old logo before. Click on Get and Add Extension. And as you can see, we've added the extension. So here you have two options to log in or to sign up. So since we don't have, or assuming we don't have an account before, you click on sign up, right? So you can choose to either sign up using your email or to sign up using Google. Let's do sign up with Google. Now to bring up this pop-up, and then you select the Google account you want to use to sign up. Click on continue, and you've kind of signed up, right? So now you can see my referral code on your screen. Just paste it. ATCR0. This is a 0, not an O. It's ATCR0S, and then get boosted. Now you don't want to skip this because this helps boost your earnings, and as you can see, you won't be able to get that boost again if you skip that part. Alright, so just like that, we've created our Gradient account, and if you go back to your extension, you can see okay, ensure you're on the latest version, close, and I got it. So now they're customizing your experience. Okay, so now as they're customizing experience, go here, and this is your profile. You can see your name, you can change your name, and this is your current status, bronze, right? So this 3000 XP is the XP just claimed from inputting a referral code. Alright, so had you didn't put that, then you kind of lost this 3000 XP, and it helps boost your mining speed. As you can see, the bronze level has a 2% boost, and higher levels like the diamond, the gold, the silver have higher percentage of boost, right? So the next thing we're gonna have to do is connect our Twitter and our Discord. Click on connect Twitter, and of course you should ensure that you have already logged in Twitter on this browser, and click on authorized app. As you can see, you've successfully connected your Twitter. Next, connect Discord. 2-part authentication, success. So just like that, you have successfully signed up and set up your account to start earning points on the Gradient network. So all you have to do is open your browser and run your node. That's all you have to do. Nothing serious, nothing, cumbersome. As you can see, once it's rising good, it means that your node is all set. But since we're just installing it for the first time, it's trying to set up the experience, okay? But once it says good, that means you're earning Gradient points on the Gradient network, all right? Now, if you want to get a full list of all your nodes, go here, and you see a list of all the nodes you've ever had, all right? This is our first node, and that's why there's just one node here. You can choose to hide a node if you're no more using it. Like if you want to do away with this node, you can just click here and hide the node, and that's about that. Now, to boost our mining rewards, there are a few social tasks we have to participate in to boost our rewards, right? So here is the graph, and as you can see, season 0 started September 12th, ended April 14th, and season 1 just started in April, right? And we don't have anything to show for it yet, we just joined. But then here is the achievements. You can see different tasks for us to complete. Referral Maniac have 10 qualified referrals. Team player, secure your first qualified referral. Keep in touch, connect your ex, and follow them. Sign with the referral code. As you can see, you earned 30,000 XP with that. Nomad Live, reach a total of 72 hours. Up and Steady, achieve a total of 12 hours daily uptime for the first time. Wow. You play your first Sentry Node, receive 500 taps. So all these things are just, tasks to help boost your boost, right? So as you can see, this is Iron Boost 0, and had it been you didn't sign up with a referral code, that would have been your boost level, right? 0%. But then this is the Bronze Boost 2%. That's the level we are at now. Now, if we should complete all these tasks, we could be able to boost to 4%, 6%, and as far as you want, right? That's that. So now for referrals, you click on here. This is where you can access your referral code. This is your referral code you can share with your friends. You can tweet it to invite your friends to the Gradient network. Now, as you can see, get 20 points plus 10% bonus rewards from your referral. Both parties get 20 points for every qualified referral, and the referrer gets a perpetual 10% bonus from all referees rewards. So for every reward the referral gets, you get 10% of that bonus, and that's cool, right? You and your referral will both be earning. Here's the process: sign in and invite your friends. Your referral will become qualified once your referee achieves 72 hours of uptime. So you are like the person you referred has to achieve 72 hours of uptime before you will be rewarded for the referral, right? So when the person gets up to 72 hours of uptime, 20 points will be awarded for both parties, and you get an unlimited bonus of 10% from your referral's earnings, all right? And here there's a toggle to switch between dark and light mode in case you're into that. So I think for now that's all you should know. So that'll be all for now, guys. If there's any update to this airdrop, I will let you guys know. So endeavor to follow my X account, my Discord, and Telegram, so you don't miss out on any important information either on this airdrop or any other ones I'll be posting. Now, endeavor to like this video if you've gotten any value from it. Share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new video I put on this channel, okay? And I'll see you guys soon enough. Peace.